Hello, and today we're going to be looking at the use of Glassline pens with the microwave kiln. And I apologise for my appalling artistic skills within this video. So we place a piece of thin fire paper on the microwave kiln base and place our piece of work on top of that. This should give us a nice smooth finish on the back of the piece of work after it's been fired in the microwave kiln. We pop the lid onto the base, close the microwave, set it to 1000 watts and to 8 minutes. Watch the microwave kiln closely. After 2 minutes, I can smell the thin fire paper baking. That's perfectly normal. And after some 6 minutes, so we still have 2 minutes left on the clock, I can see that the centre of the microwave kiln is glowing orange, indicating that it's reached temperature. Using microwave gloves, I remove the microwave kiln from the microwave. It's about 600 degrees, 700 degrees inside that kiln, and you can see the piece of work here is still very hot. It hasn't developed its colours yet because it is still very hot. So I put the lid back onto the microwave kiln, put it back into the microwave, cancel the remaining time on the microwave because I'm happy with my 6 minutes of baking, and I leave it to cool for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, my colours have developed, the piece of glass has cooled down, and I can handle it. Just to illustrate that the Glassline pens have fully fused with the piece of clear Tector, you can see me scratching it there with the end of a screwdriver, and I haven't damaged any of the artwork. So, happy fusing, and hope you enjoy this little video.